Hari Om, Lakshmi, Namaste. Welcome to our Haindavam channel, Haindavam Pathashala. Today I am going to recite three slokas from 6th chapter, Atma Samyama Yoga, 22, 23 and 24. यं लब्ध्वा चापरं लाभं मन्यते नाधिकं ततः यस्मिन् स्थितो न दुःखेन गुरुणापि विचाल्यते तं विद्या दुःखसंयोग वियोगं योगसंज्ञितं स निश्चयेन योक्तव्यो योगो निर्विण्णचेतसा सङ्कल्पप्रभवान् कामान् त्यक्त्वा सर्वान् अशेषतः मनसैवेन्द्रियग्रामं विनियम्य समन्ततः. In 6th chapter, along with other points, more points related to yoga are described in this. So in previous videos, I just mentioned about the how to sit, how to keep our body. So where we sit, the surroundings has to be clean and comfortable, all the things. Here, if I mention the Ashtanga Yoga, the 8 steps to reach the final 8th one, Samadhi, starting from Yama. Here in the school, they teach us, even from house itself, our mother, she says what to do, how to do, all the things. That everything also mentioned in this yoga thing. Yama, Niyama, and Yama means don't hurt anybody. So that is there. And Niyama, in that first point itself, Saucham, the cleanliness, the outward cleanliness, keeping our house cleanliness, the surroundings cleanliness. So by seeing all the things, a sort of pleasantness will come into our mind. Then internal cleaning is also very much required. For that in yoga, Shat Karma Kriyas are there. Okay, we are not into yoga, but following the Sanatana Dharma means those who are all following the Sanatana Dharma and everything is, they must be knowing about this, because I would like to share one thing. When I was very young, my mother, she used to give us kashayam, kada, yearly twice. One is before summer starts, the other one just before monsoon. Because from summer to monsoon, sudden atmosphere will become suddenly cool. And from winter to summer also, it is very cool, and we get into the heat. That atmospheric conditions our body can withstand if we do this sort of Shat Kriyas. In those who don't know yoga, what to do is, that's what I'm telling. My mother, she used to prepare one kind. The ingredients I will tell: castor oil, ginger, jeera, turmeric powder, pepper, this, that, I don't know. So all my worry was how to escape from that. Then whatever I play games, but finally my mother is a winner. But that everything cleanses your body, and once you are not, once you are healthy, your thoughts and everything will be healthy. So we don't fall. I don't fall sick often. Very rare. If at all I have any problem, the mudras are my tablets. So I'm opting this sort of things, and I'm taking care of my health. So following the maximum Sanatana Dharma, what are all the points they have mentioned, all the things I'm following. So with this outward cleanliness, inner cleanliness, and other things, it will help us to reach to the 8th step, that is the Samadhi. It is not that easy. It is almost very difficult, almost equal to impossible. But nothing is impossible in this world once you have that determination. So reaching to that level and maintaining that thing, by that time we will have the attachment with a detachment. We need that, but we lost it. It's okay. We are not attached to that thing. So like that, we don't even find much difference between the happiness and sadness. Sitoshna sukha dukkheshu. Sitalam, very cool and very this thing. All these things will hardly matters for us. So we have to reach that. For that, constant and regular practice is required. So those things definitely it will take us to the samadhi. Once you go to the samadhi, you don't really fight for anything. Anything is happy. So that's how you live your life happily. So read the Bhagavad Gita. Along with that, you just read other books also. Like a Taitarim is there. Such a wonderful book. Sahana bhavatu, sahana bhuvanatu. What are the relations? How the relations has to be? Everything is given very, very carefully, very detailedly, very interestingly. So do read Bhagavad Gita first, and whenever you have the thing after Bhagavad Gita, so many other books also come. For example, Patanjali Sutras are there. When you learn yoga, that is even without yoga also, I think that will be useful. So, Harivom, it is not just make your children to read, recite, and you go through the one sloka with all meanings. And day by day, day by day, day by day, you will find one new point from that same sloka. Hope to see you all in happy and healthy. Harivom, Namaste.